So I found a solution to the backseat puzzle, and I think you're really gonna love it. This is the Chicco Fit3x Ultra Slim all-in-one car seat, and it's helped solve that how are we all fitting back here problem in a really practical way. You guys ready to go?
Uh-huh.
It's only 16.7 inches wide with the cup holders folded in. That's about 2.5 inches slimmer than most standard all-in-one car seats, so it truly takes up about one vehicle seat without crowding the back seat.
We're using two back here, and there's still enough room for an adult to sit comfortably.
That flexibility makes a big difference. Whether you just need some extra space or a grandparent or extra passengers hopping in, no one has to wedge in sideways just to make it work. And if you ever do need 3 seats across, this slim design makes that possible in most family vehicles, which isn't easy to find. Another thing I appreciated right away is how lightweight it is. It's about 21 pounds, which is actually the lightest Chicco all-in-one seat. So if you're switching cars or reinstalling it after cleaning, it's not a whole production. I can actually lift it without bracing myself first. It's the everyday details that make a difference too. The low-profile sides help kids climb in on their own. The buckle flexes forward instead of getting buried underneath them while you're trying to get everyone settled, so you're not fishing around for it like you lost your keys in the couch cushions. The cup holders fold in to save space, and they're dishwasher safe, which just makes life easier.
Even though it's lighter to lift and move, it's still built with a steel reinforced frame and advanced side impact protection.
Meaning you're getting that solid protective build you expect in a Chicco car seat. It's also designed to meet federal side impact standards. The fabric is Green Guard Gold certified and made without added flame retardants, which when your kids are in these seats every single day, that just feels good to know. It comes in a few different colors, oat, black, or lupin. If you're thinking long-term, this is where the Ultra Slim seat really stands out. It starts rear-facing from 5 to 40 pounds, moves to forward-facing from 26.5 to 65 pounds, and then converts to a booster from 40 to 100 pounds.
So it's designed to stay with your child for years, not just a phase.
For installation, you've got options. You can use the mini grip latch or the vehicle seatbelt with steel reinforced lock-offs. And when installed correctly, both are safe. It really comes down to what works best in your car and within the seat's weight limits. Once you move to forward-facing, you'll also attach the top tether, which helps reduce forward movement in a crash. The Fit3x has a mini tether attachment that's especially helpful in tighter backseat setups.
In booster mode, you'll use the vehicle seatbelt, since at that stage, that's what secures your child.
No matter how you install it, you're looking for a tight fit with less than an inch of movement at the belt path. And there's a QR code right on the seat for install videos, helpful tips, and even cleaning info. At the end of the day, the Chicco Fit3x Ultra Slim has just worked for us. More space, one seat that grows with them, and it feels solid and secure every time I buckle them in. And to see more product reviews for moms like me, don't forget, like and subscribe.